Let's go inside it. Now, we do not have SAP GUI available to connect to this ABAP on cloud. We have to use Eclipse in our system. So, how does Eclipse identify that you have ABAP on cloud system available inside the Cloud Foundry environment? For this, we have to create a service key. Now, the service key will tell Eclipse that an instance of ABAP on cloud has been created inside the Cloud Foundry, and through that it can connect. Click on the service keys, create service keys, and here you can write any name. I will write ADV service key. This is optional, so I will click on save. It has created service key successfully. We need to download this key. Let's download it by clicking on this button. So now it has downloaded the key into my system. Now we will see how to install Eclipse in our system and ABAP development tools that are required to connect to this instance of ABAP trial.